Hello, so welcome to our part 2 of our tutorial. So basically, the last thing we did is just to display the list of books as a UL and LI. So that was really a bad presentation for that. So what I did is just to create a table, and then here I create a table, and then I just include the Bootstrap 3 version. So for this is I also add the two buttons, edit and delete. So if you remember that we used to do this one like resource, so this is good, this is not bad at all, but to the fact that we need to follow the different kind of HTTP head requests like post, put, patch, delete, and etc. That may be a huge headache for that, for just simply creating a very basic type of CRUD. So what we're gonna do right now is get books will be at index. So there will be nothing changes for this. Let's delete this one. There will be no changes, like it's still the same, gives the same output. So the next we're going to do will be delete, and then we will be expecting an ID, and then next will be edit, then we will be expecting an ID. So for this I still want to reuse the generated code. Then maybe you can add something like this as delete book fresh. Then maybe we can add this one here, and our book ID. So save, refresh, wait for a while, then when we click this one we will display the ID of the book. So okay, we have 10 here, and this is the ID 10. So that was easy. So the next time we're gonna do is check this one. So definitely we already import our book model. So here it will be something like this. First of all, we want to find out that if that book find or fail really exists. Then if that book exists, we just need to call the delete helper. Then action after that, return back with ops success, book deleted successfully. So in this case, let me refresh this one, then delete this Alea Ulrich. Okay, it was deleted. So to give an indicator that this one is, or some book has been deleted, maybe we can do something like if session has success ended if, then let's give this one something, class alert success, and then session get success. So refresh. So let's delete another one. Okay, book deleted successfully. So if you're going to count that one, that's already 8 books remaining. Then the next thing we're gonna do will be using the edit function. So the edit function will be something like this, and then we need to put a name, edit book. So the concept will be something when you click edit, it will go to another page. Then after that, we will get the information of the entire books. Then after that, you have the choice to update that one or just to go back. So in the next tutorial, we're going to finish the edit, the update. Then in the last part is to create a store.